Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the background color of your Instagram story. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app and then come to the home page on Instagram and then just swipe across like this. And then what we need to do is just take a picture. It doesn't matter what the picture's of, because we're going to go and use a background color. Anyway, so just snap a picture. Then what you need to do is go to the top right and go and click on the three dots just like this and tap on Draw. And when you click on Draw, then what you want to do is come to the bottom of your screen and choose the color you want your background to be. So I'll click on green. Now place your finger on your screen and keep holding it, and then it'll go and make the whole background that one color. I could then do the same for blue. I will then hold my finger on it and it will then go and change it. And what you can do is go and tap on Done. You're probably now thinking I don't have a photo here. To go and add one, go to the top right and click on that sticker icon to the right of the text button. And then scroll down, tap on the icon where you can see your photo. And you can then go and choose an image you want to add. After you tap that image, it's then going to be added. And then just tap on your story like that and it will then be added to your story. Let's just go and check it out there. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.